Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to fix Stremio playback error. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to fix your playback error in Stremio, all you can do is simply force stop and clear Stremio's cache and data and restart it again. So if this problem still persists, you can simply sign out and sign back in to check if this problem is there or not. Or you can even try to reinstall and reconfigure add-ons, reinstall Stremio, or even try an older version of the app. So if this does not work, you can also consider using an external player like VLC or MX player, toggling hardware acceleration or turning on tunneling. So you can even check your Wi-Fi's internet speed and you can simply fix it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.